stopping, we mud bogging. You stuck watching, wishing you can be with us cause the party popping. Say you can dig, man, we ain't seen nothing. Your girl wanna be with us now. I heard she said she want a mud digger. We keep the mud by the pound. Our tires stay roaring while we riding through the town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around. Big truck, tall suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger. And my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes, louder and glass pack, straight pipes, y'all know. Mud digger, for y'all don't know how the mud digging goes, and get a couple tickets to the mud bogging show. Mud digger, I don't need no skill for this shit. I can be mud digging while I'm hitting on your chick. Hating on my truck will make the situation worse. You don't want to take a ride in that jacked up hearse. All eyes on me, I'ma hit the mud first. People love to see me go through the worst to go for the hard work. Hard work, if you're lazy, go to work. Been in the mud 5 minutes and I done stain my damn shirt cause I'm a mud digger. We keep the mud by the pound. Our tires stay roaring while we riding through the town. Mud diggers, and I keep a bad truck around. Big truck, tall suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud diggers, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes out and glass pack, straight pipes, y'all know. Mud diggers.